Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Brian with American Steel Carports. Today we're gonna be out here in Carports, Texas, checking out this building that's right beside me. This thing is actually made 30 by 80 feet long with some storage in the back. Let's go check it out. Alrighty guys, so starting off the size of the building, I did say that it is a 30 wide by 80 foot long, and it's gonna be 12 foot tall at the legs. Now here at American Steel Carports, we actually measure the width of a structure wherever the peak is. So here from the front, this is going to be your 30 feet wide. The length of the structure, we actually measure where the legs are. So right where I was at earlier, where all those legs or uprights were at, that is where the length comes from, and it's 80 feet long. Now the height on this building is where the roof line actually meets those legs, and on this one it's going to be 12 foot tall. It's a pretty tall one. This building also is going to be a little bit taller here in the middle because of the three-toe pitch that comes on all of our buildings. Now the customer did upgrade this structure and go with an A-frame vertical roof. Normally our buildings come with a standard roof and it still goes up to a peak, but here on the sides it does roll off into the legs. But this A-frame vertical roof kind of gives you that classic A shape that you get on most garages, and you have two options with that. Either you go horizontal with the A-frame option, which just means that the panels run from the front to the back, or like this customer did, get the A-frame vertical option, which means the panels go from the peak down to the eave. Now this thing is massive, and I ain't no farmer, so I ain't even gonna tell you what these machines are, but check it out. This customer has this tractor looking thing over here, a smaller one on this side. Looks like the customer does have this nice big attachment, obviously one here on the back of this tractor, and then another piece of equipment right here on this one. So if you are a farmer or you have some big things to store, you know, hopefully this kind of gives you an idea of exactly what you can put underneath a building of this size. Or maybe you don't need as big as this one. Maybe you even need to go smaller, or maybe you even need to go bigger. Maybe you're, you know, putting some semi-trailers underneath. We can make the building exactly how you need it. Now, making our way to the back, you're actually going to see this wall right here. Now, this building actually comes with a little bit of storage, and most customers think that when you do storage on a building, you either need to have a carport or storage. But actually here at American Steel Carport, you can combine the two. We call this building a utility building, and just means that the customer did happen to get the 80 feet long structure, but 20 feet of it, she went ahead and enclosed. So she has 20 feet of storage here in the back, and then 60 feet is going to be the roof only, and that's where she keeps, you know, all of her equipment here outside. Everything else that she needs is going to be inside the storage. Let's go ahead and use this walk-in door that the customer got and get inside. Now this walk-in door here is going to be an upgraded version. It's going to be our heavy-duty walk-in door. The benefits of this walk-in door is that it's going to be solid. And as well, here at the bottom, you'll just see that it does not have a threshold or a base rail here at the bottom. Normally on our other doors, they do come like that. But this makes it so that when I open the door, you can very easily get inside. And check out the storage area. So this one is going to be a 30 feet wide by 20 foot storage, 12 foot tall. And look at how much stuff this customer has in here. Now it looks like she might still be kind of arranging things, you know, putting things where they need to be, maybe getting some shelving, stuff like that. But I mean, you can kind of see exactly how much stuff she has in here, and exactly, you know, she does have, you know, more room to even put a lot more stuff in here. Not necessary that you need to fill this up with everything that you have, but, you know, just giving you that option that you do have plenty of room. This customer also decided to do the storage area with concrete. Now American Steel doesn't offer concrete at the moment, but it is a good option instead of the ground, so that all your stuff is safe from, you know, bugs and critters and all that stuff that normally would be, you know, on grass or, you know, just dirt. Here, the customer also did happen to get an opening in addition to the walk-in door that she has over here on the side. And here on the concrete, you'll notice that she did kind of do a small little offset. We also call it a notch detail to minimize water or bug or anything like that from getting inside her building. And the opening here, the customer did do a roll-up door. Now this one There's going to be a 10 feet wide by 8 foot tall roll-up door. She got it in the color white, which is our standard color. We do offer a lot more colors here at American Steel Carport, but they are an additional cost. So the white is perfectly fine. Luckily, this one is small enough, so you notice here on the outside that it does have the latch here to close it off. And I didn't necessarily need the walk-in door to get inside. On a door that is bigger than 10 by 10 is when the latch is on the inside, and it does have a chain. So at that point is when you need the walk-in door to get inside your structure and be able to open the door from the inside. Lastly, I forgot to mention, but the customer did happen to get this building in the colors evergreen for pretty much everything except for the trim. The color that she got on that was the color clay. She did not get the color matching screws, but still nice color option, very pairs nicely with her home and everything else that she has here. But yeah, that's a quick little look at a 30 feet wide by 80 foot long by 12 foot tall utility or combo unit structure, showing you exactly what you can store on a building of this size. And hopefully this gives you some other ideas as to what you can do. But anyways, if you have any further questions, my name is Brian, and I'm here to do everything I can and show you what we, God damn it. But if you have any further questions, I'm here to answer them. My name is Brian, and I'm with American Steel Carports to show you all that we can do so that you can get your dream metal building too.